Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. As I've already explained you in my previous video that the price of silver can make a sharp rise because we have seen it is moving in if we look at this particular chart, we have seen it is in a particular range and it was moving in a particular range downside. After this swing has formed at around $17.549, I have already explained you that there is a higher probability we can see it can move further upside because of the OPEC meeting that had happened. Because of that we have seen there is a rise in the price of metals, you can see. Okay, and this is why we have seen there is a sharp rise, and you can see a green candle forming, a large green candle is forming for the price of silver. So what we can see looking at the chart for the next 2 days. Before we move forward, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work in silver, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Now look at the chart. See, we have seen a sharp rise, a strong support coming at around 17.5. Suppose if this level sustain, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 20.310, which is our weak resistance, so probability will be very high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level of 20.509. Okay, and this level is also again on a weak resistance, so probability will be high. We can see it can touch a level of $20.742. Again, this is also a weak resistance, so probability is again very high that we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $21.048. So keep this in mind. If the price sustain this particular level of 9.914, we can see it can touch a probability that it can touch a level of 20.048, because all these resistance are being weak resistance and probability is high. We can see it can go further upside. So suppose if the price sustain above 21.048, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $21.541, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 21.973. This is again resistance which is already being tested here, so probability will be very high. We can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of $22, and if that sustain, then we can see it can move further upside. Okay, now understand something. If this particular level didn't sustain, because we have seen a sharp rise, okay, so then there will be a probability that profit booking can come at this particular level. So what we can see, the next support coming at around $19.744. If this level goes further down, then we can see it can touch a level of $19.544. okay, so and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of $19.445. okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can move further low towards a level of $19.700, and if that level goes further down, then we can see it can touch a level of around $19.545. okay, once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch and go and touch a level of $19.146, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of $18.713. Keep this in mind. If the price didn't sustain this particular level, then we can see a level of $19.545, and from there we can see a level of $19.146, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $18.713, and from there we can see a level of $18.281. and once the price comes again to a level of $18.248, then from there we can see it can touch a level of $17.915, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of $17.549, and from there we can see it can move further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.